So hi everybody, welcome back to a new video. Today I'm back with a new video, and today we have a new art challenge, scribble art challenge. So I have here some scribbles and I want to turn this into an art piece. This challenge is very funny and very wonderful. I actually done more than one scribble, but this is the best of all and I love it. Yeah, I love weird challenges because simply they refresh your creativity and improve your art skill. Yeah, they improve your art skill. Believe me and trust me, if you draw any scribble and turn this scribble into a specific art piece, anything, you will find that you are more creative and you'll be able to draw more. So if you are stuck in mind, you don't know what to draw, I suggest you to draw a scribble and turn it into an art. It will open your creativity up, okay? I love it. Like, it came out very pretty and cute, and it was not expected. Like, I just opened the camera, I draw the scribbles, and yeah, let us record. Whenever anything will come out, I'm gonna record anything. So yeah, I love it. Absolutely, I love it. And let us see the final results together and the coloring. And I also suggest you to color your art pieces because coloring gives more life to any art. I color digitally, yeah, but you can color with pencils, markers, watercolors, but I love coloring digitally because I love this digital touch in every art piece. So let us see. This is the scribbles. This is the scribbles, and this is the art. Look, the lines, there are the same lines, and this is the final result. Pretty lovely. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, please like and subscribe for more videos, and bye.